Well, I have an audition today for a film that's being shot here in Thailand. That's an Australian production. Let's see how it goes. Now, air conditioning. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Right now, it is the second week, heading into the third week of February, and it is getting really, really hot. I'm telling you, Bangkok is not for the weak. You can't handle the humidity, do not come here. I don't know where to go. Let's find this place. Well, if you take a look, it's completely empty because I am the first person here. Of course, that is the casting session right there, which I don't think I'll be able to record. R-I-S-T, wrist. Yeah. And you're doing the
long leg.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to get your measurements done. I didn't know them all off the top of my head. So we have to do the waist, the head, the thighs, pretty much everything. Is that everything you need?
What's that?
Is that everything?
Yes.
Okay.
And now we just check it. I need to sign.
Okay. I'll sign right here. There you go.
And you shoot it for your cake.
Okay, thank you. This is the first casting that I've ever been on where I had to have all my measurements taken. I've never had that done before, but normally in the States, I know everything off the top of my head, but they were going really in depth here, like, wrist, armpit. I guess I don't know why, but you have to take all the measurements here. And I got a lot bigger than I was when I was in the States. Well, I just walked out of the casting and went extremely well. I wish I could show you more in depth as to how auditions work, specifically when you are inside and reading the lines. Now, how it works, they give you a script. You have a few seconds to memorize your lines. Sometimes they'll ask you to improvise. That's what they did with me here. This is an Australian film called The Blue that is shooting here in Thailand. They want someone with an Australian accent. I can do a fairly somewhat convincing one because I have a lot of friends who are Australian in the States, and they help me practice my accent because I did acting in the States from time to time. One of these days I'll do my best to see what I can do about getting the camera in there and recording it, but when you have a new project shooting, these companies don't want their scripts to leak. I can't tell you exactly what my lines were or what the premise is. I will tell you that the film is a thriller, and I guess we'll see if I get the part in about maybe 6 months when the movie comes out. So that's it. It's Bruce with Eat, Drink, Travel, and some weird stuff like this. If you like this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment below. I answer all questions that get asked to me, and we'll see what's coming up next. I think pretty good food video.